Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we're going to do a review on the toy steel chainsaw. Now, these things are pretty cool. I'll tell you what. They make things realistic for little guys. You can actually take them apart and fix them, work on them just like a real one. They do take batteries, and the compartment's right back here, and 3 AA's, okay? I'll put that screw in after we're done. But anyway, okay, so on this particular model, you turn it on and you just pull it. Oh, maybe we should turn it on first. Okay, now, then you've got your volume back here. Okay, I think they're pretty much all the same. So you can hear that. Then when you pull the trigger, it won't go down until you push this, okay? And then you've got your blade that turns, and you can turn up the volume. Or you can turn it right off. Okay, it's got a brake, and the brake doesn't really do anything. It's just there to imitate the real brake, right? Okay. Now on this side, you can actually take this all apart. So I see somebody's lost a screw already. I had to go make a custom screw to put back in here. But anyway, you can actually take this out. This is a number 7mm, and pull this out. I've already had it off, and so it's not gonna. So you can get right into this compartment and actually take all this apart. So you can pull that screw out. You can actually take this blade off, and if you need to change this rubber, you just take this blade apart, and that is basically 3 screws or 4 screws on this side, and it comes apart, and you can actually change that the blade, okay? And yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll tell you what. They make it realistic. Steel is really good for doing that. But all in all, great little toy. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.